Hello, you're welcome to my channel. I'm sure you're all doing good. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how to prepare this potato chicken stew. You can always enjoy this with your white rice or as a meat pie fillings. So here are the list of all the ingredients. We have ginger and scotch bonnet pepper. We have onion, carrot, potato, sweet bell pepper, and finally sliced chicken breast. I'll be listing all of these ingredients in the description section below. Do make sure to check that out. So let's get started. In a hot pan, add your preferred oil. Here I'm using olive oil. Once it's heated, add your onion and scotch bonnet pepper and the ginger. So after that, you add your chicken and add all the spices. You can use any spice of your choice. Here I have chicken seasoning. I'll add that as well, and I'll also add a little bit of salt and then mix all of this together, to infuse all the ingredients into the chicken. So if you're still watching up till now, that means you're enjoying this video. Please do make sure to like, subscribe and share if you haven't done that yet. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Victoria. Thank you for stopping by. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I really do appreciate all of you. Thank you and God bless you. So guys, our chicken is coming together beautifully. Now after it's cooked like about 10 minutes, okay, I'll go ahead and add my potato and sweet carrots, okay. So I'm just gonna mix all of this together and I'll allow this to cook at least for 15 minutes, for the potato to be soft and tender. So here I'm just adding water, after which I'll cover it up and allow it to start cooking. The sauce has been cooking so beautifully. At this point, the potato and the carrot is soft and tender. Finally, I'll go ahead and add the bell peppers and a little bit of flour to thicken the sauce up. This is optional. However, I recommend you add the flour to avoid your sauce being too watery, and it depends on the quantities of water that you added initially. So at this point, the sauce is done and ready to be served. As I said earlier, you can enjoy this with white rice or as a meat pie filling. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section. Thank you for staying true up till now. I really do appreciate you. Like this video, comment, share to your family and friends, and subscribe if you have not. And I will see you all in my next one. With that, stay blessed and keep walking by faith. Bye.